Hello everyone, welcome back to Bhavna's Beauty World. In today's video, I'm going to show you this warm tone makeup look, or you can say a brown smoky look. This look will fit every skin tone and every color. So without wasting any time, let's get started this video. Welcome back to my bare naked face. So at first, I'm going to moisturize my face with Pond's Light Gel Moisturizer, and after that I'm going to use 777 Prime Magic Primer, which is very good for oily skin and it gives a matte finish. Now I'm going to use my foundation, which is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. I'm in the shade 230. Actually, I didn't like the foundation at first because it is too much breathable and I sweat a lot. But when I applied this primer, this foundation works very good. So this foundation is very good with a very good primer. For the concealer, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Yellow Character. After blending concealer, I'm setting my whole face with loose powder. For contour and highlight, I'm using this Folklore Contour and Highlight Duo. Here I'm using two blush combinedly. One is Wet n Wild Keep It Peachy, which is a matte peach blush, and the other is Pink Flash P003, which is a pink shimmery blush. This Miss Rose shimmer highlighter, which is in the shade Silver. During doing my makeup, I felt so dry on my lips, so I, in between my makeups, use this Bio Aqua lip mask. Today I use this Chia Stone Brow Duo in the shade Brown. For eyeshadow, I use this Technique Exposed palette. Golden highlighter to highlight my brow bones, and for eyeliner I used Pink Blush eyeliner, and mascara I used 777 Rose Mascara. For lipstick I used Wet n Wild Catsuit Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. So here completes my whole makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon beside, and give like, share and comments. This makeup look was all about everyday natural or no makeup look, and warm toned, so it's friendly for summer and any color of dresses, and also Asian skin tone. Tata!